recent years, the Hawaii Prince Hotel in Honolulu, Hawaii, has been renovated throughout, adding new dining venues and more, including a new name and logo. In this segment of Hotel Video Showcase, which is a division of USA Golf and Travel, we look back at one of our favorite play and stay stories, which is located in Honolulu, Hawaii. Meet the Prince Waikiki Hotel with its location at Waikiki Beach, offering stunning views of the ocean from every guest room. First, take a look at the lobby, now shining with a unique artful centerpiece laden with 850 tiny copper-hammered fish sculptures across the ceiling, incorporating these sculptures into its new logo. Its guest rooms are enhanced with floor-to-ceiling windows, allowing for even more ocean view. Added for dining pleasure, the 100 Sails Restaurant and Bar, signature award-winning restaurant presenting inspired modern American cuisine and known for stunning views of the Alawai Boat Harbor. Also opening Katsumidori Sushi Tokyo Japanese cuisine, which harmonizes local Hawaiian and Japanese seasonal ingredients. Experience its dramatic infinity pool overlooking the harbor and the ocean, or soak in its other saltwater deck pool and inviting poolside cabanas. The Prince Waikiki Hotel is a perfect upscale stay and play in Honolulu, with Oahu's only 27-hole golf course, practice facilities, and restaurant. Here is our original Hotel Video Showcase segment, which appeared on TV from New York to Los Angeles. Names, decor, and people have changed, but the luxury 5-star stay is better than ever. Watch!
Destination Honolulu for the world's best weather. Shopping in the world's most famous beach, Waikiki Beach. Tourists come from around the world to enjoy the sun, the waves, and the excitement of Waikiki. At the top of the strip known as Waikiki is a deluxe luxury hotel, the Hawaii Prince Hotel Waikiki, and it's the gateway to Waikiki Beach. The Hawaii Prince Hotel Waikiki is the only hotel on Waikiki that has its own championship golf course. The hotel's outside facade is made up of 2 skyscraper towers, with all of its guest rooms and suites facing the Pacific Ocean and the Alawai Yacht Harbor. A sweeping view of beauty to enjoy from the minute you enter your room. Many hotels will boast a professional staff, but the Hawaii Prince Hotel Waikiki really does have the best service anywhere. Here are some of the friendly faces that you will meet at the Hawaii Prince Hotel Waikiki.
Good morning. Welcome to Prince Court.
Aloha. May I help you to your room?
Aloha. Welcome to the Hawaii Prince Hotel Waikiki.
Here at the Prince Court, we have one of the finest buffets on the island.
Please let me know at any time. Thank you. Have a good day.
Welcome to the Prince Court.
Aloha, what can I get for you today?
Aloha! We sit at the gateway to Waikiki, close to world-class shopping and dining, and of course Ala Moana Beach Park and the beautiful Alawai Yacht Harbor. All 521 of our rooms overlook the ocean and all have amazing views. And most importantly, are accessible in Hawaii and Waikiki.
And you'll be treated like a celebrity. Another special treat awaiting you is the plentiful regional Hawaiian foods and Japanese specialties. Your first delicious buffet breakfast will be at the Prince Court in the morning, opening at the first dawn, and again for lunch. Hakone Japanese Restaurant is outstanding with a bountiful buffet presentation of wonderful Japanese sushi, shellfish, and beef. At Hakone, you'll be able to dine in traditional Japanese style in a private room. Feast your eyes on a small selection of a huge array of choices you'll have at any of the hotel's buffets. Dining is a highlight at the Hawaii Prince Hotel Waikiki. And when it comes to desserts, they have it all. And one of my favorites, fresh cut strawberries with whipped cream. No matter what your culinary taste, Hakone Buffet will more than please you. The lobby has a center court with a piano and comfortable seating clusters for private meetings and conversation. And there's the Marina Front Cafe for casual salads, sandwiches, and beverages and coffee. There's a beautiful full-day spa right in the lobby area. The pool and jacuzzi have a wide-open view of the harbor and the ocean. Golfers don't worry about getting to the golf course. The hotel shuttles you round trip. No worries, just have them load your clubs on board. The Ala Moana Shopping Center, the biggest in Hawaii, is only a 5-minute walk away from the hotel. And for your ultimate convenience, the hotel chauffeurs you on a free shuttle taking you to 4 major points in Waikiki.
Aloha, I'm Naomi and I'll be your concierge throughout your stay here at the hotel. I know you asked me a little bit about shopping. Our shuttle bus does make 4 stops. The first stop will be at 2100 Kalakaua. That includes Nike Town, Tiffany's, Coach stores. The second stop will be at DFS Galleria Waikiki, where you can shop the first 2 floors. The third stop will be at the International Marketplace. It's an open-air bazaar open from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. And our last stop will be at the Duke Kahanamoku statue fronting the Waikiki beach. The shuttle does run from 12:30 on to 10 p.m. in half-an-hour increments.
If you have any business needs while you're traveling in Hawaii, the Hawaii Prince Hotel Waikiki has its rooms equipped with everything you need. The Hawaii Prince Hotel Waikiki lives up to its 5-star reputation. And now we're ready for a day of golf at the Hawaii Prince Golf Club.
It's just a short chauffeured drive and you're there. When you arrive at the Hawaii Prince Resort Golf Club, you are warmly greeted. The golf shop is well appointed, and it has all those things you need or want. Now, I've always thought of Oakley as a great sunglass company, which they are, but they've gotten into golf big time, with a great line of golf apparel from head to toe, and they've been a proud sponsor of the Prince Resort Hawaii State Open. Next door to the pro shop is the Paradise Grill, where great food and great views go together, and they're complemented with unparalleled service. And if you want to learn more about the course, who better to talk to than the head pro?
My name's Tim Herrick. I'm the head golf professional here at the Hawaii Prince Golf Club, designed by Arnold Palmer and Ed Say. And we are part of the Prince Resorts Hawaii, which include the Mauna Kea Resort, along with Hapuna on the Big Island, and the McKenna Resort on Maui. Here at the Hawaii Prince, we do have 27 holes of golf. We have 3 different 9-hole golf courses, which give you a different combination of 18 holes every day. If you come out for 3 different days, you got 3 different courses to play. In and around those 27 holes, we do have 10 water features. So I invite you all to come out for a wonderful day of golf and experience the aloha.